Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to learn something about the important concept abstract classes. Um, First of all, we want to know what is mean by abstract classes, right? So already we have discussed about classes, instance variables, and member functions. So abstract classes also can have something similar to the classes. But one important difference is a class must begins with the keyword abstract. Okay, yeah, abstract class. The class must begin with the keyword abstract. Okay, it can have an abstract and non-abstracted method. A class, it also have some instance variable. Similarly, it may have some what we can say member functions. The member functions or method can be abstracted or non-abstracted. Okay, it is needed to be extended and and its method is implemented. Okay, it cannot be instantiated. Can you able to understand this line? The abstract class or abstract method can be implemented when you are using the interface. It can be implemented from the interface, or when you are using as a when you are going to create a subclass, you can extend the abstract class or abstract method, but the abstract method cannot be instantiated. You cannot able to call the abstract method by using the object. Would you able to understand? This is the important point here. You just try to keep it in your mind. So what is abstract class? Abstract class is similar to the class. What a class have? A class have instance variable and the member functions. Similarly, abstract class also have instance variables and member functions. Okay. So think the different thing is that a class must begins with the keyword abstract, and which is called abstract class. That abstract class also have instance variable and member functions. When we are considering about the member functions, the abstract class may have abstract method or non-abstract method. Okay, the methods or member function within the abstract class cannot be instantiated by the object. Then how it can be useful? It can be useful by extending the member function or method. Okay, extending the class by another class, so that we can able to reuse this method, and we can able to use the instance variable. Like we can able to implement it when we are using the concept of interface. We can able to implement the say abstract class, but we cannot able to call the abstract class by using the object. This is the logic. You have to keep it in your mind. Some important things about the abstract class, let us look at here. An abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. Abstract class must begin with an abstract keyword. Okay, it can have abstract or non-abstracted method. Here the abstract class shape have a method which is the abstract method, which is also does not have any definition. Abstract method does not have any definitions. Okay, abstract method is empty. The abstract method does not have any definitions. Okay, and it will not have any definitions also. Okay, and it cannot be instantiated by the object. The object cannot able to call the abstract method. Okay, it can have constructor and static methods also. It may have the constructor and static method also. That means it does not, it may have the non-abstracted methods, and also it may have the constructor, but the constructor or non-abstracted method cannot be called. It can be used by the inheritance concept or interface concept, but it cannot be directly called or instantiated by the object. That is a very important point here. It can have the final method, which will be force the subclass not to change the body of the method. So when it is declared as a final, the abstract method is declared as final. Okay, the subclass cannot able to change the body of that method, cannot able to change the body of the method. The value will not be changed, cannot be changed ever. Okay, so can you able to understand? I will show when I will give the demonstration for this program. This point, the particular this fourth point, I will show you when I will show the demonstration to you. Okay, and like let's look at the simple program for our understanding. We will have a different program while we have a programming demo. While we have a session for a programming demo, we will have a different program for better understanding. And here we are just giving some basic level program for better understanding about the orders abstract classes. Okay, so here we have created the class name is shape, and it starting with the keyword abstract, so that it is called abstract class. Okay, so where it may contain abstract instance variables as well as abstract methods. Here it have one abstract method or non-abstract method also possible. We can able to just declare void draw, that is also possible here, that will have a definition, but here we are declaring the member function as abstract member function. That's why there is no definition for that abstract method. Okay, abstract void draw. Okay, and then let us see this. Second class is class rectangle extends shape. Okay, the shape class has been extended by the class rectangle. Here I have used void draw as a method which print the statement drawing rectangle. And class circle1 is the next method. Okay, class circle1 is the next method. Okay, so which is so here it is what class rectangle we have done. Okay, now class circle extends shape, right? So void draw as a function which is just printing drawing circle. Okay, and then class test abstraction, some main class has been created here, and public static void when the main function has been declared here, and then shape s equal to new circle of, what is here, new circle of. So where is the object for? Object is for circle, it is not for shape, it is not for rectangle. The object has created for circle, but reference variable has created for the abstract class shape. Is it possible? Yes, of course it is possible. It's an abstract class, so the reference variable can be created by any class, but where the object is called created, the object has been created for circle class, so the call will be directly moved to the circle class. It is not moved to the shape. Okay, so that's why it is just simply goes to the circle. Okay, so object is created for the circle, and it is the reference variable created for the shape. Okay, we're able to understand. So after that, s.draw where it will be lead the program control, it lead the program control to the circle class. Okay, so this draw contain the output statement drawing circle, this will getting executed here. Can you able to understand? So here abstract class does not use anything. So when I will show you the example demo for a demo program. I will give you some elaborated program so that you can able to understand. Here we can declare the method, what we can say, abstract method and non-abstract method. It may be used by the inheritance. Those property can be utilized also. So I will show you when I show the demonstration program. Until that, you just try to understand what are the things are essential about the abstract class. Just keep it something in your mind. Abstract class cannot be instantiated, it can be inherited or implemented, so that it cannot be instantiated by the object. This is the important point that you have to keep it in your mind. And we will meet the next session by your abstract class and method overriding demonstration. Until that, thank you.